Yes, good afternoon, everyone. Please, this broadcast is very, very important and it's not going to be long. Please, I appreciate my fans all over the world. I appreciate everyone supporting Obaseki 4+4 Togba movement. I appreciate Adobe Post sharing my videos, commenting, doing everything to make sure that my principal, Governor Godwin Obaseki, returns. I appreciate you and I thank you. Please, I want to beg. I want to please appeal. Please, that's why you all need to share this video. I want to appeal to everyone following me, waiting for updates from me. Many people, even after watching channels AIT, ITV, and EBS, they still wait for me to confirm the story. That's to tell you how far I have gone. That's to tell you how people believe my news, my updates. I sincerely appreciate. I appreciate the fact that those all over the world are interested in the forthcoming election and they want the governor. His Excellency Governor Godwin Obaseki to come back. But the area where I am not comfortable with, I see you, my boss, Don Uyi Olotu. Don Uyi Olotu is a committed supporter of Obaseki and everything people like us stands for. When I endorsed Denko, he was there with me. Anybody I support, Don Uyi Olotu is always there. Don Uyi Olotu has not called me since the beginning of this year. He doesn't call me. He waits for my updates. He doesn't call me. Mr. Semi Erio, another strong supporter of Governor Obaseki in diaspora. He lives in America. He has not. I can think the last time we spoke is almost a year now. The people that are really supporting us, they don't bog my life with calls. I am begging, please. The calls are just too much. I'm sorry, please. If you call me, okay, now, in less than 5 minutes, I already have almost 1,000 people watching. This is 945 people watching. Now, if this 945 people decides to call me to say, hey, Abba, what is going on? 4+4, talk back. Hey, we like you. We want Obaseki to come back. If this 900 and some people start to call me now, or they call me for WhatsApp, or they send me WhatsApp message, my head not go burst. My head go burst. Somebody called me from America and was like, if you're not picking calls, and get somebody now to be picking your calls. I said, it's the same thing. If you call my office and somebody call, you still insist that you want to speak to Albert. Please, I want to appeal to you. I want to appeal, please. I have my business calls to attend to. I have family calls to attend to. I have important calls to attend to. Please, no political calls, please. That is why I'm always doing live videos. So that those that cannot call me will hear from me. That's why I'm always putting up updates. Please stop calling to appreciate me. Please. Please. Watching my video, sharing my video, commenting and liking is enough. It's enough. I have over 5,000 people that have sent me message on my Facebook, the page, asking for my phone number. I don't give them my phone number because the ones who get my phone number, I hide from them. Please, I don't mean to be disrespectful. Just understand. Just understand, please. As Europe, they wake up, they go pick my, once they just something for internet, they won't wait for me to respond. They won't wait for me to clear the air. They will start calling me. How about also no? Yeah, wanna please let me just show you my WhatsApp. Let me just show you my WhatsApp. Let me show you my WhatsApp notifications. You see my WhatsApp? You see my WhatsApp? The first message there is 461. I never read down. The other one 21. The other one 1,700 and something. 15. The other one 1,200 and something. The other one 9, 6, 10, 5, 103, 876, 20, 5, 3, 64, 68, 16, 21, 28. See, this one 400 and something. You see messages unread. You see. See, all these messages is in the last 6 hours. So now they see for years. So see this one 1208. She be not the see. You see unread. Please, I beg. See my voice for days, they feel clear. I'm supposed to be using my voice for live videos, but you people will not allow me. Somebody called me just now. 4+4 talk about. I end the call. Don't call me to be asking me. I can't pick call and be explaining to only you. Please. We have 1,200 people watching me, and this is just Facebook, not YouTube, not Instagram, not Twitter. If these 1,300 people watching me now decides to call me, will I have time to post? Will I have time to do this video? Will I have time to attend to my family? I am beginning to, I am not missing important calls. I am into property. I am into car business. So I don't know when clients are calling me. Because there are some lines, there are some calls you pick. You think it's business call. The next thing you hear, somebody will be saying, how about Wasununa, a governor, Gubegua. I can't explain to only you. I'm sorry. Please. Now that we want to move to another party now, thousands of other supporters of that party now, they are going to join the existing followers that I already have. Please. I respond to messages, especially text message. Yesterday, let me read one message for you. I want to be seeing this kind of now my supporter say I dey talk, and she be say NG talk back. Say now so I think they save their number. NG talk back. Say they call me now. Now may I pick a call now? One of here you don't cut her. See, you see missed calls. You see calls. Now, let me show you one message yesterday. I had to screenshot the message. I wanted to post it online. Please, I need this kind of message. Now, this is the message. See, I get to block the person phone number, the contact. See, let me read the message for you people. Wait, I'm waiting for it to process. Now, let me read. It said, "Good morning, Mr. Albert, Mr. Obaze. Thank you for being a voice for the Edos. I appreciate your courage and for Imajoki release. Thank you. So please send me your account number so I can send you and Imajoki something to support yourself. I know it's not easy. Send it to my WhatsApp." This is his phone number. I get to block this thing. And I said, "Thank you. Say now my account details be this." I get to still block them because it's not for public. If you don't request for it, you won't get my account details. See, immediately. Oh shit, my Samsung does scatter. See, immediately the next thing I got was alert. See, the next thing I got was alert. Now I leave the house nowadays, so I can't see her. I dey wait for her. I'm here to get information when I go visit the talk. The next thing I got was alert. Please, I want to be seeing messages about send your account number. If you want to appreciate me, don't call me to say talk back. Call me after election. If you want to appreciate me, buy data, buy computer, buy phone, buy things. Say about take this money, go and give it to people. Take this money, go and take care of yourself. Go and enjoy yourself. What I am doing for this fight is affecting my business. It's affecting my other activities. It's affecting my finances. One miserable boy called Ekme Obaseki, while I was engaging him yesterday, because I don't say success gets plenty family. Success gets plenty friends. As Governor Obaseki now don't defeat Oshomole now, they don't clear, say, God for that reason we don't fly. The guy where I battle his brother since, his name is Ekme Obaseki. He did Facebook, they comment, they talk anything. If you will see where they insult governor, you go they comment, go they like, go they say, ha ha ha. They actually thought the governor would fail. The next is started writing, because they do yesterday, I said I ain't like governor pass. Now I can go submit, now I can go comment, say, you still support your brother, shameless boy. Come the insult. The next thing he wrote, he said, governor gave me a car and they are paying me 250,000 naira. I felt insulted. That's an insult on my personality. That's an insult. That what I'm doing on the internet is because of 250,000 naira. How much is my PA earning? My PA is earning 150,000 naira. I have more than 12 staff in my office. Some are real estate, some are media. I have over 68 people on social media that I'm sending data. The boy now asked my for the work. Now people motto they told. Very naughty boy. He never do well for life. You know, the people like us, we don't take. So any idea we must chop. Yesterday, I took a cultural group to my house to celebrate our victory. If I not spend money for those cultural troops yesterday, I sprayed them good money. I donated something for them, and I believe those are also supporting them now. If I not spend money for that cultural troop yesterday, I spent close to 200,000 naira for them to perform for just 1 hour. The little I have, I use it to touch lives. 2 of the women don't call me this morning that they've never played for 1 hour before and make such money. Trust me, when you do that, those people now, they are automatically Obaseki supporters. They will do anything to defend Obaseki because they have benefited from somebody very close to the governor. So because that boy is cheap, sometimes I spend that 250,000 naira in 1 hour. Thank God I get an understanding wife. She keeps telling me, what money you make from other sources, you are investing it in politics. And I said she should understand. So please, madam, you said I don't answer their calls. I can't avoid all calls. It just be like the day when somebody was calling me from abroad that Imajoki was arrested. I not quick pick because I thought it was just a normal 4+4 talk about where's your bat. No, the guy kept calling until I now picked. Before he now told me that around 2 o'clock that Imajoki was arrested. So I don't want to be missing important calls. If the call is not important, don't call me. Please. See my voice not be open. Please. They drain my battery. And they carry power bank, everything. Then every 1 hour I have to charge my phone. They drain my battery constantly. So allow put your money where your mouth is. That guy yesterday sent me 70,000 naira. And he said I should give Imajoki 20,000 naira to take care of himself. If you have Imajoki's number, call him, appreciate him. Now 5K, send that for your account. Now money there. Now he's this for 3-4 days that he not going work. He's distracted. That's what we go through for the past 4 years. So please, if you must appreciate me, just send me a boss message. I will reply you sharply. Say, Abba, you are a great guy. Send me your account details. Let me encourage you. I want to see more of that. We spend money here every day. I'm not governor now. The reason why people like us are close to him because we don't put money forward. That not me say no, they appreciate us, but we don't put money forward. We know the whole next if you don't give us money, we don't support you. So please, the main message that I'm sending today, appreciate. See, if you want to appreciate me, just send me a message about send me your account details. I have some of my big boss, my big brothers, and I encourage people like Emmanuel Baze, my big sister Ogogo Yanire, my big auntie, my uncle in New York, a lot of them, Joy Obaze in Canada. They just write you to say, how about let me buy you data. And not mention all of their names now. Many people like Osagi Osifo and the rest. I will reply you because as you give me, my people when they around me go still smile. Somebody called me, Osagi Osifo called me 3 days ago. He said, Albert, I want to appreciate your work. I said, no, Power say, do you know how much he sent to me? 300,000 naira. He said that 300,000 naira yesterday. Now wait till make me see money when I take pay those cultural troops yesterday. Those cultural people, they don't chop about 200K inside. That's how to support a cause. Now the Kanu today is powerful. It's not because it's not the Kanu, because Igbos all over the world are funding him. I will not go and disturb the government to fund me. You that is my fan, you come and fund me. Put your money where your mouth is. And also many people say, no, I deserve to be appreciated. Somebody now giving this wristwatch from Canada. His name is Indo. And they always appreciable. If you do something for me, I must announce you. You must know now, because it's not easy. People when they do for, I also expect them to appreciate me. This wristwatch, somebody that sent out for me. Check out, not be cheap wristwatch. He said check this wristwatch for Google. As we speak, see this wristwatch is over 600,000 naira. Somebody in Nofe in Manchester, FVC Nofe, now give me this wristwatch. So I want to tell FVC Nofe tomorrow, say I'm no longer with Obaseki. So please, no more calls. I use Almighty God. Don't, if you hear anything, just wait for me. I will certainly come online. Just be following my wall. I must come online. If the call is not extremely important, and no matter how important, don't talk for more than 1 minute. I just go beg you. I don't want to be rude. These are my fans. These are people that made me. When they come so down, only when they comment, when they support me, now make me. But now I don't popular. I don't pick up for the game. The only money I don't get, but my name is everywhere. Anywhere I go today now, Abatobaze. If anybody say me, they call me, they ask me, say, give me update for Sunubedo. I can't. Don't. Now pride, it shows pride on your part to be calling me to update you only out of my 24 hours when I get in a day. You want to hold the phone with me for 10 minutes. And I get over 400,000 people online who would like to still call me. Please, I don't want my wife to be offering my phone every time for my sleep. If I plug my phone before day break, they will call the phone off, the battery will drain. I would ask myself, say, this phone not charge because it's constantly ringing. So for the phone to charge, sometimes even those of she'll get to go off am. So if they break, may see full battery. Please. If you want to appreciate me, how about the account number? What do you mean? Me, I be not in a ginger, a spirit met temu. They na me go here no that day, Osagi Osifo. But you are doing a lot. I can't do what you are doing. Let me encourage you. No, say the only. Osage no ye financially we are going. Whoever. People that are working with me, most of my staff, they don't joke with me. What I get, I spread. They know. If I say I don't get, they only say, you sure? Because they know that if I have, I spread. That's why Abba Thomas says it's thick. That's why I'm generous. I'm stickily generous. One Jado, my other brother come from Canada December. Emmanuel Baza in Toronto. When we wrote, he was asking me, anyway, we go door, now we park. You crash. Now in politics, if you are not generous, you crash. If somebody come with problem of 1,000, if you don't get the 1,000, try give 100 naira, give 200, give 300. Show something, do something. You say, why yeah? Many of all these people they are abroad, they insult me. They know they see money reach me. I see the lessons when I put for. I've sold the two lessons. I've sold the two vehicles, the blue and the white. I've sold the two vehicles. Money when I take bring account, I say I will make profit. So when people see you, they say this one. We have different. One of my property now, I really by next week, it's even politics that is disturbing me. By next week, somebody will pay for that property. If I don't make money from there, I think make reach 500 to 1 million naira. We are using our traffic to do business. So please, I beg, in case you call me, I don't reply you well, no verse. The pressure is too much. As I talk to you now, my phone dey ring. I dey try monitor governor, man, I know, so that make I get information to feed you now. I dey monitor governor. So don't, please, I'm begging. I don't feel talking, they're not here. Stop calling me. Stop. If it's not important, don't call me. Don't call me to ask me questions. I will just hang up. I will hang up on you. I beg. My phone, show me the phone on the ring the way my phone ring. Because I better person. I get good by person. I get the interest of the people pass Oshomole. So I appreciate the cause, I appreciate the followership, I appreciate everything that you people are doing. Like my other brother, Emmanuel Baza, they call me. They hardly call me. Most of my real followers, they call me. Now the ones who don't get me, never you bolonye, now they call. Somebody call with them. Why are you saying now? By next month now, we are going to start collecting donations for this Obaseki. Now face cap you get, you will buy and you will bring home. Somebody called me this morning saying want to do 200 face cap for Obaseki. How much? I tell them, do one. Do one, might go give it people. How give them, they go still share. I problem so it be. So don't call me to ask me for updates. I will be very rude from tomorrow. I'm sorry. I will be very rude from tomorrow. If I call you, hello, 4+4, talk by, we talk by, how about tomorrow? I will end your call. Just go and wait for me. I can't be giving everybody. You will call me, I'll give an update. My brain will knock. Which time I won't get for my family and myself. So please, my message be that. What is I want to talk? I want to not forget the part to say, now mate, nice send me message yesterday. In my jockey, the people they in my jockey. I mean, if now don't ask me, say, about send me my jockey account number. About send me my jockey account number. Or you send your own account number. I already know where. Or by wire. Or by wire. You wire. I say, please, no more calls. Wanna let me concentrate, wanna let me work. So that I go the edit they call me. Because I go they check news for Vanguard, for The Nation, they go they call me. Because I go they write post, I go try compose post. They don't go let me compose post. They go they call. Sometimes before I break the story, other people don't break out. Calls people they call. So thank you very much for listening. Thank you very much for sharing, and God bless you.